was a really sweet and cooperative kitty who's getting very, very clean. It was a very sweet, clean, it was a very sweet bath kitty. You're such a good cushy. You're a good cushy. Yes, you are. Say hi. I'm getting your belly now. It's okay. You'll be dry soon. We're just getting you all nice and clean. And we're taking care of all the fleas on you. You won't have fleas for now. Oh my goodness, she's purring. She's oscillating between meowing and complaint about being wet and purring because she's getting love. She's such a sweetie. We're taking good care of her. We're giving her some medicine and getting her clean, and then she'll be back outside where she belongs with her family.